Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars using a Nintendo Switch controller. First, it's important to understand that Brawl Stars is designed for touch input and does not offer native controller support. Therefore, the only way to achieve this is by utilizing a third-party remapping application on your mobile device. This process involves connecting your controller via Bluetooth and then configuring the software to translate controller inputs into touch commands. Make sure your Switch controller is charged and ready to pair. Now, let's get your controller connected. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. Next, put your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons or Pro controller into pairing mode. For Joy-Cons, press the small black button on the rail. For the Pro controller, hold the sync button on top. Your mobile device should then detect the controller. Select it from the list to complete the pairing process, ensuring a stable wireless connection for optimal gameplay. With your controller paired, the next crucial step is remapping the controls. You'll need to download a reliable third-party remapping application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and grant it the required accessibility permissions to overlay on other applications. Within the remapper, you will create virtual touch zones on your screen, assigning each zone to a specific button or joystick input on your Switch controller. This allows the controller to mimic your finger taps and swipes. Finally, let's optimize your gameplay experience. After setting up your basic controls, spend some time fine-tuning the sensitivity and dead zones within your remapping application. This will significantly improve your aiming and movement precision. Experiment with various button layouts to discover what feels most natural and efficient for your playstyle. Remember, practice makes perfect, so head into Brawl Stars training mode to get accustomed to your new controller setup before jumping into live matches. Enjoy the enhanced control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.